My biggest concern was what people thought. You grow up with all your mates and you grow up with your family and you think, well, you know, what are they going to think? They're going to think, well, I'm weak. You know, you're weak. I thought negative thoughts a lot. There's a couple of times there that I want to end my life. My name's Joe Meggetto. I'm a dairy farmer at Warragul South. I milk 250 cows and I've been doing that for about 28 years. I've had some challenges the last few years in regards to mental health. It's been a tough couple of years with the dairy industry that we're in, the prices and the weather and those type of things. They're all challenges which, you know, all add up. The bad thoughts, the dark holes I was thinking of, I was always thinking, you know, no one deserves to find me if I do take my own life. In the early days, I was really touching base with a lot of my friends. They didn't know what I was going through, but I was always texting them saying, how you going, and you know, what are you up to and that, because I wanted to probably open up about it, but I wasn't getting there. I wasn't getting there to open up about it. And the turning point for me was my wife's family is very close, and every year we go away and they were all having a great time and thinking they're all really happy and cheery, and I'm just, you know, down in the dumps and thinking negative about myself. I ended up going to bed, and then when Michelle, my wife, was coming to bed, and I just broke down in tears. And that's when I sort of started to think, well, you know, this might be the right time to really go and source some help. Managing it to a day-to-day basis, since I've been to see my GP, I'm on medication, and before I opened up about it, it was all bottling up inside, and I think once you open up about it, it's just a total weight off your shoulders. I think the more talking of it, the more things that we can do as a community that can help people in the mental health side of things, well, that can slowly break the stigma. If you're really struggling with it, seek help and take that first step. We've got to be prepared to open up about it. It took me 2 or 3 years to take that first step, but at the end of the day, you're number one. I still get bad days, don't get me wrong. I've been fortunate enough strong enough to open up about it, and it's made my life a lot easier. So there's help out there. There's all these different organisations that are really willing to help. And don't be scared to talk to your mates about it. And ring me, I don't care, ring me. I'll talk to you.